Massage guns are taking the fitness gadget world by storm. These percussive therapy devices target sore muscles with rapid-fire pulses, aiming to provide the benefits of massage therapy from the comfort of your home. Well, this massage gun has the ability to help relax muscles, boost post-workout muscle recovery, and prevent delayed onset muscle soreness by increasing blood flow to the soft tissues and reducing lactic acid buildup. And if you are the person who always forgets to charge your phone, then this massage gun is one for you, as good battery life is the key for gun massagers, especially for the trainers on the go tending to multiple clients. This massager's rechargeable lithium battery will work for you for up to 6 hours on a single charge, and the device supports a 15-minute auto shut-off feature to protect both the battery and your body. The LED display light on the back of the gun indicates how much battery life remains at any given time. You will receive 5 massage heads with this massage gun. This spherical head is suitable for large muscle groups like your chest, thigh, and your calf. This fork head is suitable for neck, spine, and your entire back. This one is the gas plug head, which is named as cylindrical head, and this is suitable for all parts of your body, especially on your abdomen. This is the bullet head or tower head, which is suitable for deep tissue precise massage, for example your shoulder. And this flat head is suitable for flat muscle groups such as your palm. Well, this massage gun is only for the healthy adults, as this product is not intended for medical use. So if you have any concern regarding your health, then please consult to your doctor before using this product. It has high frequency vibration that helps reduce muscle stiffness and pain, increases blood flow, and improve soft tissue health. There is another great feature, as it has 6 speeds between 1800 and 3200 RPM for maximum muscle relief. You will get 5 unique heads attachments, as I mentioned earlier, to customize professional grade muscle therapy. And this is a cordless massager with rechargeable battery with low noise operation for stress-free massage. So you gym guys, go for it to help relaxing muscles, boost your post-workout muscle recovery, and to prevent delayed onset muscle soreness by increasing the blood flow to the soft tissues and reduce the lactic acid buildup. So this is it for this video, and it's time to take massage from this. But before going for that, would love to tell you that the link of the same is available in the description box. So just go there and check this one for yourself.